There are so many people, Leo. My legs feel like jelly.
Take a deep breath. You trained for months for this moment.
Okay.
Focus, Toby. Don't start too fast. Save your energy for the end.
Ready to lose, Toby? I've been training in the mountains.
The race is long, Jax. We will see who has the most heart. That's it! The race is starting! Here we go! Keep up, everyone! Steady breathing. In through the nose, out through the mouth.
Great pace, Toby! You look strong!
Exactly where Coach Miller wants me to be. The city feels so different when you're running through the middle of the road. He's going so fast. Should I follow him, Coach?
Ignore him. He's burning his fuel too early. Stick to the plan.
I need a drink, but I don't want to stop moving. It's harder to drink and run than it looks. Target hit. Let's keep this momentum going. The ground is getting warm. My feet feel heavy. It sounds like 100 drums beating at once in here.
He's still there. I can't let the gap get too big.
Eat this, Toby. You need the sugar for the next 10 miles.
That's a boost. My brain feels more awake now. The music is helping me find my rhythm again. Are you okay? Do you need a medic? Good luck. I hope you finish the race.
Thanks, kid. I will.
Halfway done. Now the real race begins. A hill? Now? This is going to hurt. My calves are burning, but I won't stop.
The hill is slowing him down.
The downhill is actually harder than the uphill.
My legs feel like lead. I want to sit down so badly.
Why am I doing this? It hurts too much.
Don't listen to your brain right now, Toby. Listen to your heart.
My shoe! If I stop to tie it, I might not get up again. I have to be careful not to trip. Just keep moving.
I can't feel my feet, Toby.
Hang in there, Jax. We're almost there.
Stay with me, Jax. We finish this together.
You bet! I'm right with you!
We aren't racing each other anymore. We are racing the distance.
6 miles feels like 60 right now.
It's cold in the shadows.
Keep up! That's funny. I needed that laugh.
You're losing time, Toby. You need to find your kick.
Just one more step. Fruit, please. Here you go. They're nice and cold. That's the fuel I needed.
I can hear them.
Go on, Jax. I'm right behind you.
Please don't trip me.
Every step is a sting. I can do this.
Spray your neck.
Ah, thanks. I'm back. The lights is so cool. The noise is incredible. This is the greatest race.
To the end, Toby.
Easy. Ah, my side!
Press your thumb on it.
I'm too close to stop! Not today! Ah! They're right there! No! My shoelace snagging on a rock! I'm moving! Ah! Let's go!
You're almost there.
800 meters to go. Everything I have left. Yeah! See you at the line. It's beautiful. I have 60 seconds. Ignore the foot. I'm almost there. Wet sock, more weight. It doesn't matter. Keep pushing. Why is the finish line moving? No, it's just my eyes. They see me. I can't let them down now. Oxygen, I need more oxygen. Breathe deep.
80%. Give me 80% of your speed.
Where is it? Where is that extra gear? There it is! The fire is back! Ah! One lap. Just one lap. I've done this 1,000 times. It's just skin. Skin heals. Metals are forever. The noise is like a wall of sound. It's pushing me. We're doing it, Jax. Don't let go now. Just the tape. Just the white line. Nothing else exists. Smile for the camera? No, just run for the goal. 100 meters. Maximum effort. Give it everything. My heart is a drum. My legs are lightning. Thank you. Thank you for the energy. I can't feel the pavement anymore. I'm flying. Now! Finish it now! I did it! I can't believe it's over. I'm so happy.
I'm so proud of you. 3 hours, 59 minutes, and 12 seconds.
Great race.
You're the real deal.
Thanks, you too. The metal feels so heavy. I need new sneakers.
You're a hero today.
The finish line is just the beginning.
What problem does Toby have with his shoe? What time does Toby finish?